Hello everyone, this is Uncle P from Super Easy Forex, and we just wrapped up one of our classes. I teach classes to our students twice a week, and we also have another trainer who's a six-figure earner in this business, and she also teaches classes on once a week, and the class schedule will be in the tutorial program if you enroll. However, here's what I want to teach you guys, or tell you rather. We know that there's a lot of people who lost their jobs, and there's a lot of people who are struggling in Forex and all these different things, and you're looking for someone to help you. That is where we come in. You're looking at some trades, and we have a signal service as well, and I sent this signal out to the group night before last night, but either way it goes, and I'm in this one, and you can clearly see this is a live account. Okay, for those who doubt, this is a live account. And when you purchase this system, or you want to join our signal service, which is an option, either way it goes, you can learn how to make profit and do very well. We'll teach you what you need to know so that you'll be able to be successful with the simplicity system. Okay, that's what we call it, simplicity. Look at this live trade here from the last time on the AUD NZD when it came in. And we got in this one a little bit earlier because I took it off the 1 hour time frame. As you can see, it came in here, it tap danced around, and then we got in on the drop. Okay, and that's one trade. Let me show you a couple of more, and let me pull this screen out now that I've showed you it's a live account. The truth of the matter is many people want to be successful in this business, but they're not being taught correctly. And so we teach people how to succeed. So not only are you going to get the trading system, but more importantly, in my opinion, is the weekly education, because I literally spend, and I just wrapped up a 2.5 hour class. We have question and answer period where I can talk to you directly. You can ask me questions directly, but the success that we're having with our students is just amazing. One lady, she just told us that she had a 90% win rate. And just doing phenomenal in our group. So if you're looking to trade Forex and you're looking to succeed, but you need a real good mentor or mentors, because you get more than one, not just myself, but Miss Jenny, who's just a freaking trading beast, a technician in this business, then you want to join us. And it's only one price. We don't charge a monthly fee like some of the other services out there. You purchase their product, but then they're charging you hundreds of dollars every single month. No, we just want to teach you, and it's no extra cost. It's free. So once you purchase the simplicity system on our website, go to superezforex.com and click on that join button on the video. Then you just sign up for the simplicity system. You'll have instant access to it. And then on our Tuesday and Wednesday classes, you'll be able to join. And even if you can't, we do record the classes so you can play them back. Okay, let me show you a couple of more trades that I'm in. Okay, so that's this one here, and it's playing out very, very nicely. Then I'm also in this trade here, Euro NZD, and you can see I'm up 200 pips. Now on this one, why is it so many? I have 10 positions on this one. It's called multiple entries, and now my mind is blank. I just had a 2 hour class, but it's called stacking. So I stacked. For those who trade, you know what that means. I stacked my positions, and I'll be exiting out some of these shortly. But I didn't want to exit out any of them until I showed you guys what I've done. So I have 10 positions on this one, and I should have had 10 on this one. My God, can you imagine that? 10 positions on 200 pips. And for those who are brand new to Forex, pips translate into money. It's like you put your dollar bills up in a casino and they give you chips. So instead of chips, you receive pips in Forex, but those pips are relative to a dollar amount, and I'll teach you that when you come to class. Okay, so if I had 10 positions on this, that means I'll be up 2,000 pips. That is crazy good stuff. Okay, and again, with the simplicity system, even if you didn't come in to the classes and you just had the system itself, look, it told you to sell right here, came up and it teardropped off. Okay, and we call this position right here, and I'll teach you this, the SpongeBob SquareHead. It did a SpongeBob SquareHead, and I'll teach you what that means when you come to class. But bottom line, and it's in the tutorials as well. But right here, the system told you, sell, right there. It told you, see? Okay, 200 pips. Next, let's take a look at another trade that I'm in, and that will be the Swiss JPY. Let's take a look at that one. And currently, as you can see, I got in right here, and that was off of a method we call the 415. You'll learn the 415 strategy. This one I was a little late to the party, but nevertheless, it's okay. I got in on this one based off the daily. Once you come in, there will be tutorial programs to tell you these strategies. So even if you can't make it to class, it'll be in the tutorials along with your trading system. But I took what's called the 415 strategy, which is double topping off our zones or close to them and taking the trade off of that. Okay, and that's one of the strategies you'll learn. All right, and so that's one of them. And then we also have another one that I'm holding, waiting for this one to drop. And you can see I'm in 10 positions. So temporarily I'm down maybe 2 pips because your broker spread is right here times 10. So that's only about 20 pips. I'm waiting for this thing to drop. It did do its initial drop, but then it's coming back, just retesting it again, just doing the 415 method, and you'll learn that strategy. So once this one drop and times 10, boy, that's going to be some massive pips. And we're hoping that it hit this take profit line right here, the little red line, which would be about 50 pips. And if it does, so do 10 times 50, 500 pips. Okay, waiting on that one. NZD Swiss is another trade that I'm in. Okay, and as you can see, boom, look at there. Look at there, another 100 pips. Okay, buy signal is right here. Told you to get in. 100 pips. Okay. USD Swiss is one that I'm holding. I'm waiting. Okay, and that's only down 21 pips. But as you can see, if it does exactly what this one did, look at that. Boom. See how I got in right here, pulled back, and then boom, it shot up like a rocket. Okay, so I'm waiting on this one to do the same thing. I'll teach you how to check these strategies and what this means and how to look at things. But nevertheless, I'm holding this one long term. So therefore, yes, right now it's just dancing with about 20 pips, 21 pips, about 20 pips because you have your brokers called the broker spread, which is what we're paying the broker. So it's only about 20 pips. But again, if this thing blasts off like the other, boy, that's going to be some massive pretty pips right there. Okay. So either way it goes, like I said, I'm just showing you what's possible. Look at, oh, wow. Look, it went more since we've been talking. See, 300, almost 400 pips. Whew. So here's the deal. The bottom line is, even though you may be struggling, some people are struggling in the markets and they just need someone to coach them along. That's what I actually enjoy. And I tell my students all the time, I've been trading for so long and the journey that I went through was so tough and I didn't have good mentors and some of them I just didn't understand. But for me, the joy is coming back now in teaching the classes. It's not the system alone. For me, the thrill is coming back and teaching students all over the world how to look at charts, how to read charts, how to understand market conditions and all those different things. And you'll be able to do that and you'll be live in class with me so I can talk to you. You can talk to me. Okay. So that you can understand how to trade and be an independent trader. I don't want you baby fed forever, but at some point we'll be able to teach you and coach you. The other service that we offer, remember I told you that on this one I had already sent out a signal and everybody is in profit. They're doing very well on this trade and amongst others that have already won. Okay, and as you can see right here, and I'm going to move this off screen for privacy, but you can see that we had sent out signals on these, and these are some other signal providers showing proof of, you know, low positions they took on trades. I sent this out and I told everybody in here, sorry, I can't show it anymore. I don't know where it went to. But anyway, I told them in there, I said, hey, it's time. Go ahead and feel free to exit out of some positions at this point. Okay, so we're giving clear instructions on what to do, when to buy, when to sell, what the stop loss should be, when to take profit should be. And here's the cool part about our signal service. The cool part about the signal service is this. Not only will we send you the signal alert into our private Telegram channel, but what's even better is because we will also include with that for the same price. It's just $69 a month. If you want to just the signal service only, you don't have to buy the system. You know, you don't have to. I suggest you do because it comes with the classes, but just in case you just want signals. Okay. You don't have time for anything else. You just want some signals. Tell me when to get in and get out. Okay. No problem. What you want to do is you want to join the signal service, and I'll show you the link to that on the website so that you can see how to do that now. It used to be closed off to only those who had our trading system because it was easier to do so. But some people are very busy right now. And so on the website right here, if you want to sign up for just the signal service, you can just click right here and join. And what's nice about it, it's only a little small fee of $69 a month. And it's a month-to-month thing. You don't have to stay forever. So if you don't want to stay, you don't have to. It's just month-to-month. The good part about that, though, and here's the key. We got a testimony that there was a person who just bought themselves not too long ago a Range Rover from the money, paid cash, brand new Range Rover from the money they made from, watch this, from this service. We offer a live scalping sessions twice a week with Miss Jenny. Okay. So therefore, when she's trading, you'll be in a room live with her, and it'll be in the schedule. It's a room live where you'll be in there with her, looking at trades and taking scalp trades along with them. Okay. So that's in addition to the signals that you'll be getting. Okay. So that's part of the signal service. But again, if you want to purchase the Simplicity system, you'll get this trading system and you'll be live in class every week getting an education with me. Okay. So we have different products available for you guys. We also have the new scanner that came out as well, and that's also on the website under other products. Okay, so we have a variation of different things we offer now to help our traders become very, very successful. But the money that people are making, the testimonies that's pouring in, I'm really happy about our progress. Okay, so I'm just showing you what's possible. And again, this is a live account, and I showed you proof that I sent out signals and told the signal group. So it's no funny business. We're not trying to get over on nobody. That's not what we do here. Okay. All right. So hopefully this video helps. So again, if you lost your job, you're just trying to find a way to supplement the income, whatever it is, we have things available for you. Just hit our website, www.superezforex.com. And here's what's most important. If you are a brand new trader and you need some education, you really want to purchase the Simplicity system, because that is the one where you get access to our weekly classes with me. Okay. With me. You'll be able to attend the weekly classes and do well. So I'll coach you. I'll teach you what you need to know. Matter of fact, this morning we spent the first part, because a lot of people don't know that you can set what's called a pending order. And those who do know, they mess it up. But I taught this morning how to set pending orders. So even if you're away from the office or busy or traveling, like I got to do tomorrow, I got to travel, you can set up your orders and they will only execute if they meet conditions. And as I taught them in the class today, I called it a prenup, like in a relationship, right? You have a prenup. It has conditions that need to be met. So the same thing. I'll teach you all of those things so that you can get a good footing on what trading is, how to do it successfully, and you'll be on your way. Okay? Have a great week, and I'll see you on the inside. Bye.